Are you someone like me that struggles with tired looking eyes? Dark circles, wrinkles, puffiness, redness. It drove me insane. And I know getting more sleep is going to help with this, but sometimes life gets in the way. Monday to Friday, you're waking up early for work, whether you've got kids or you got encouraged to go out for one drink last night that turned into too many. We've all been there. And you don't want to go into work looking like you're casting for a zombie movie and for your boss to know. Well, I've worked on this over the years because it's something I naturally struggle with. And I've found a routine that every guy can do every morning. It's super quick, that is going to help. Now, you're probably thinking, what am I wearing under my eye? This is an eye mask. I found these work wonders. I picked these ones up from a Korean brand. It was my first time trying a Korean grooming product. These are the PDRN collagen eye patch. Now, I personally put these on before I go to bed and leave them on all night. They sometimes do fall off, so if you don't want to be spending your Saturday searching the bed for your eye patches that fell off, that's fine. You can pop it on in the morning, whether you're making your breakfast, sorting your kids' lunch boxes out, doing the rest of your grooming routine. Just leave them on for 20 minutes. These are going to pump moisture, hydration into, well, not into your eye, underneath your eye, which is really going to help not only with an instant impact on helping, it's also going to gradually help over time as well, remove some of the dark circles and the puffiness, so you don't have to focus on this area as much because you're repairing it. So an eye patch is how, or eye patch, sound like a pirate. An eye mask is where I start. Now, the next thing I'm going to mention is a must anyway. It's not a product, it's just a glass of water, which I needed right now. Hydration is so key in all factors of your body, kickstarting your metabolism in the morning. So having a glass of water in the morning just helps overall. So it's not really a product, it's just me encouraging you. Make sure one of the first things that you drink, apart from a coffee, because I do love a coffee, is a glass of water in the morning. It's honestly going to help. So I'm going to take this off now because I've left it on for 20 minutes. An eye cream. Couldn't think what I was going to say then. An eye serum or cream. I'm going to list some down in the description box because it's whatever works for you. I've been using this one. It's the no, it's not. It's the BioEffect EGF eye serum. There is so many incredible eye products on the market. Some with caffeine in that help kind of, if you've got bags and you struggle with bags, it stretches that area out so it doesn't sag anymore. But again, this is not a magic wand. You're not going to put it on once and then be like, oh my God, this is this amazing magic effect that removes all of your problems. Unfortunately, I don't think that product exists, but you should be putting this on every single morning. Again, it's just going to help heal those areas that you struggle with. Mine really is kind of dark circles. I look like I've had 1 hour's sleep when really I could have slept like Sleeping Beauty for 10 hours. So we're going to pop this on, little click, and make sure you do this every single morning and you will see the difference over time. Then next, now this is a bit of a magic wand. I know that I've done videos in the past where I've used kind of makeup, very natural makeup for men, but not every guy wants to wear makeup. So I'm not going to do a concealer. I'm going to do something else that I have found really helps even out your skin tone in that area and also help with your problems at the same time. So I'm going to use a tinted moisturizer. This one is from La Roche-Posay. I have loved it for years. I've featured it in many videos. But I find what I love about a tinted moisturizer is I know that if you're like going into makeup, there's so many shades when you're going to get a concealer and it's overwhelming. What shade do I pick? Do I go too light? Am I too dark? With a tinted moisturizer, the technology in this product these days, it adapts to your natural skin tone. So this one still does have 2 shades, a light and a medium. I personally go for the medium just because my skin is a little bit darker. If you're very fair, go for the light. But I just love how simple and easy it is to apply. And it's not, I mean, you can actually apply this product to your whole face. If you've not found a moisturizer that you love yet, then maybe try this out for a full face. But if you don't want to add a tint to kind of your whole face area, you can just do it around the eyes. So I'm just going to put a little bit of product on my finger, Just checking this is the medium because I do have a light in the cupboard as well. And then we're just gonna, I've got a mirror here, I'm gonna put it on right, or else I'm just gonna add a little bit underneath the eye, and then we're just gonna blend that around. Now, obviously don't go too close to the eye because we don't want to be putting the product in your eye, but you can go all the way up to the corners. Again, this is where I really struggle with the darkness. And we just want to get right in there and just keep blending it in until it's all kind of sat nicely with your skin. I will say that where I put this product on instantly after the eye cream, it looks a little bit shiny, but that will calm down. It's probably best if you put the eye cream on and let that dry first and then apply this product so it's a dry surface for it to go onto. And you can just blend it down onto your cheek if you want, because I also do struggle with blemished cheeks, so this is going to help with that as well. But that's how easy it is. 3 simple products and a glass of water can really help. I did say it's not a magic wand. You're not going to just look like a brand new set of eyes. These products are going to take time, apart from the tinted moisturizer, which is still helping. They are going to take time to correct those areas and help actually heal them over time. But for now, a quick, simple fix is those 3 simple products to help heal and also correct and make you look fresh again, not like that zombie. And let me just show you the difference now. So there is one eye that we've done, and there is the eye that we've not. If you have any questions, please pop them down in the comments. As I said, I will link some of the products I've spoke about or some that I've loved in the past down in the description box. And that is it. Simple, quick and easy way to hide tired looking eyes.